Hey guys, what's going on? This is Billy Josie, aka the New Generation Marketer. Coming to you here from Jacksonville, Florida, and I want to cut this quick video. Driving around and noticed that it had been a couple days that I haven't cut a video, so I wanted to do that. So I entitled this video "The Power of a Vision Board." And just to remind you that if you haven't subscribed to my channel, be sure to go down there and just click subscribe, of course, and make sure that you click that little bell on the very right there so that you're notified of any new videos that I do put out there. And just a reminder to you, this channel is all about entrepreneurship, all about affiliate marketing, network marketing, direct sales, just tips, motivation, inspiration to help you grow your business, as well as provide you with resources and tools and just different things that you can use to grow your business as an entrepreneur. So I entitled this video "The Power of a Vision Board." And for those of you that may not know what a vision board is, it's basically just a board where you can take different pictures and different things that you may want to aspire to have in your life. You can cut out pictures of the kind of house you want, the pictures of the kind of car you want, pictures of maybe what kind of business, maybe an income that you want. And you can just place these all over just a little board. Now, the way that I personally use a vision board is that basically I cut out, my car, or what I want to see happen in my life, what I want to see happen as far as income. And actually, the thumbnail for this video, you can actually see my current vision board for 2018. I don't mind sharing that with you, kind of give you an example so that you can kind of get an idea of how you want to do your vision board. We're at the end of the year, or coming towards the end of the year, and I generally redo my vision board for that current year based off, how I did my goals for 2018, maybe things I can do better. But what I do with this vision board, I put it right on my desk every day, where I can see it often. And I can tell you that for me, what that does is that it helps me focus on those things on that board that I see. And I can tell you that it really gives me the motivation and the inspiration that I need to on a daily basis to go after my goals, when I just kind of take maybe like a couple minutes to review those things on that vision board every day. Almost kind of similar to, writing down your goals, but you're actually seeing it visually. It really does something to you to, drive you and motivate you. So if you don't have your own vision board, I highly suggest that you get your own vision board, so that you can be able to attract those things that you want into your life, those things that you want for your business, and the kind of success that you want. Now, I can tell you that because you put it on the vision board, it may not come, or it may not manifest in your life, within 90 days. But I think if you keep that thought, that vision in your mind of what you see on your vision board, it can inspire you to work on achieving those things that you have on the vision board. So that's my quick tip for today, guys. Again, there's a little example of a vision board on the thumbnail for this video. My own personal vision board for 2018. I hope it inspires you. So go out there and create that vision board. God bless you guys, and I'll see you on the next video. Peace.